Right guys, me and Billy are reviewing the new Christmas items in Aldi. So we've got a couple of things here. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Yeah! So we've got a few items here. I've just noticed though, this actually says alcohol infused, so not for you. But we've got the pig in blanket pork burgers, and these are gluten free, aren't they? So this is these ones. They have gone a little bit cooked on top, should I say. Let's move the knife from Vinny. 2 Christmas style chicken Kievs, which is this one. And then we've got the sweet bits here. So I'm going to cut into this one. Right, Vinny, try a bit of that one. That one. We'll do this one first. Eat this one. Right, try that one. You try that one. I'll try it as well. What? Right, cheers. Cheers. What do you think? Tastes a bit aniseedy. I don't know why. Do you like that one? You do like that one? That's what it looks like inside. I'd pass on those. Right, this one. They were £2.99 by the way for 2. Oh, random. 2 Christmas dinner style chicken Kievs with a chicken gravy filling. £2.49 these were. That's what they look like inside. Right, Vinny, should we do yours? Oh, yours splattered out. Right, give me a fork. Give me a fork.
Yeah, different.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Right, do you want to try this one?
No. Yeah.
Try this bit then.
No.
This one?
No.
Oh dear. Right, so you want this one. Right, there you go. He wants the burger. Right, so I'll try this one. This slopping out. Right, let's try. I like that. Very tasty, very chickeny.
I love.
Oh, you want to try that one now?
Yeah.
Do you want me to cut it for you? Yeah. Me fork? Yeah. This one? Right. Thoughts? Yeah? Or not?
Yeah.
You like that one? He likes that one. Which one do you like better? Which one do you like better? Do you like this one or this one? You like the gravy or the burger? Do you want me to cut some up for you? And then
Yeah.
that's the burger one. And that's the chicken one. There you go. So you put your fork in there to see which ones you like best. Okay then. You like that one?
Yeah.
So these cheesecake bites are £3.49 each. Ah! Oh no! Oh gosh! Oh no, these are coming out. These have been slopping all over the car. Oh! There's only one thing for it. They are very good. Do you want a bite? No? You want some more of that one? Go on then. This one is alcohol infused mincemeat. £3.49 again. They look more aesthetically pleasing. Oh, oops. These are really good, and I don't like mince pies. They're really nice. I like those better than those. There you go. Now, I've never tried a Florentine, and I was going to make them, like I said, and these were £2.99. You love these, don't you, Vin? So that is what they look like. Oh, Oh, they're gorgeous. They are my new favourite things. Guys, get yourselves to Aldi, try out the new Christmas range. What are your thoughts? Thumbs up? Thumbs up? Say bye, everyone. Hello.
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 Hello.